Hi guys, it's Keith with Arkenberg Farms here. As you can't tell by how wide it is around me, we just got our first big snowfall. So far everything's holding up. I'll get out here outside in just a second and show you what you're working with. Right now we're in the high tunnel. Still got a good amount of production going on. Under here, still got my celery experiment going on. It's doing real good. Nice big healthy plants. Just keeping them under row cover at night and open them up during the day. So let me take you on a tour of the farm. Since I'm in the high tunnel, we'll just start out here. Got a whole row of leaf lettuce still going. It's looking real good. Still a little small. Give it a couple more weeks. Should be ready to harvest. We're at about the second week of December right now. About December 14th. Still got kale going. It's getting really compact and just barely growing. It's been getting cold. Still looking good on it. Also went through and put down some cover crop in this row. Just see what it'll do. Heads over here. The green ones. They're a little damaged. We've had some cold nights down, and I think the lowest we got was 9. But the purple ones down here, I can't remember what kind they are, but they're doing real good. Big full size, standing up to the weather really good. Oh, that must be sand in there. But actually, it looked like maybe some aphids in there. It's one thing you got to watch out this time of year, is the aphids sneak up on you really quick. Now for our little mini Tom Thumb heads, they are not taking it very well. They're starting to get all yellow. Starting to drop off. Still got some brassica mix over here too. Should keep this under cover. A little bit of flea beetle pressure in there, but it's still going. Take you outside now. Show you how this thing's holding up in the snow. Now we're out here in the winter wonderland. Now as you can see on the tunnel behind me, the snow's starting to shed from it. Get out here a little further. You can really see what's going on with it. That's why I really wanted to get that Gothic style high tunnel. Because you can see, yeah, let's get up here. Across the peak, where it's actually shedding off all the way across. So it's been dropping right next to the side. It's just been doing it by itself throughout the day. My other caterpillar tunnel over here, I have these bows spaced out 10 feet. So I went through earlier, kind of knocked some of the snow off. You can kind of see where it's still shedding, like that's clear, that's not. And that one over there is kind of shedding a little bit. The best one I have going is this Gothic style caterpillar tunnel I built. It's doing real nice with shedding the snow. See how this all kind of crumbled off all the way around it? Problem is, it's all now down here. See how deep that is? That's my knee. There's about 16 inches. And it's going to get really cold tonight. In here, we still have about a 30-foot row of lettuce left. that is just about perfect for harvesting. But I gotta get road cover on it now, which means I'm gonna have to do some digging out in the front. Alright, went ahead and dug my way into the high tunnel to show you what's going on in here. And by the way, it's a lot warmer in here than it is in the high tunnel. This cat tunnel is a little Gothic style, and it's been pretty much covered with snow all day. A little bit smaller airspace. You can see where the snow's shedding around me, where it's darker, it's thicker. But here's our leaf lettuce. We got green sweet, looking really nice. The purples are looking really nice. A lot of the butters are too. I think a lot of that's because this thing's so well sealed, and I don't quite have the high tunnel sealed off yet. Underneath this row over here, we got some good butter heads. I believe these are Adriana, still going good. Even got Muir, just still looking excellent. Oh, and down here at the end, we got some Cherokee, which they're really good too, and these are all over on the north side. We'll head on back outside. Everything's holding up good in the snow, at least not collapsing. I mean, we're almost done for the year. We only have the 40-foot row in the high tunnel of leaf lettuce left, another 40-foot row of heads. Over here in the Caterpillar tunnel, the Gothic one, we have about 30 foot of leaf lettuce left. Out there, we got 2 rows of spinach and a row of All-Star mix, which none of those are going to be able to harvest this year. That's the other little side project I've been working on too here recently. Come over here in the pack shed. That's right down here next to me. Doing some indoor microgreens underneath the pack table. Got radishes here. Just harvested the sun shoots earlier today. That's what I'm working on right now. Give me something to do in the winter. Try a couple different things. Do some artificial light work. But I'll keep you updated on that in another video. Well, hope y'all like what you saw here today. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.